Good morning, everybody. We are here. We're looking good. We're missing the chat, though. Gotta refresh that chat. 85 degrees and sunny outside today. Holy smokes, it's gonna be a nice day. We got J-Bones, baby. J-Bones first in the chat. Alien Head, Ryan the Rapper, Southpaw Slinger, Rated Silver, Ryan the Rapper, Owen, Genji, Southpaw Slinger, all of you guys. So glad to have you in here right now. And look at J-Bones icon. Now, it is dead near impossible to see. Let's see. Do I have that on here? I don't even know if I have that on here. I gotta see. PixArt. No. No. Darn it, man. I don't know if I have that icon on this phone. I do not see it right now, but J-Bones, it is Chip Bro, man. It is Chip Bro. I don't even know if J-Bones is still in here. Actually, maybe I can do this. Maybe I can do that. And then, can I add a source? Media file. Add source. Okay, no. No, I don't want that. Alright, whatever, dude. I don't know. Delete that. Okay. We'll just leave that for there right now because I don't want to screw everything up. But, dude, you know what I could do? I'll just take a picture of Chip Bro right here and then show you what he looks like just in case you guys can't see him because he is very, very small on the screen right there. Yeah. All right, now you guys will be able to see this. Hold on. You got a little reflection in there, but you guys are just going to have to deal with it. Nice, man. Nice. You got the original Chip Bro right there. Am I still timed out? No, I'm going to tell you good right now. Yeah, that's the new icon. J-Bones made it first to 3 years of bro. Thank you very much for that, J-Bones. I had it uploaded. It's ready to go. And J-Bones is the first one with it right there. Appreciate it, man. We got Ryan the Rapper, Owen, Genji, Southpaw Slinger, the new era. We got Ray De Silva, J-Bone, Mateo. We got Doji. All of you guys. So glad to have you in here right now. Now, let's check the market out and see what's going on so far today. We got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen. AMC sitting 0.70% higher on the day today. $5.04. GameStop sitting at $27.81. It is down 3% of the day today. I believe that GameStop has their shareholder meeting coming up a little bit later today. Might be in the next 20 minutes or so. Shiba Inu Coin sitting at 1920 points per coin, man. Steep losses in Shiba Inu Coin right here. Throwing some major purple lines on the screen. Hopefully, it actually got rejected off this 2100 point per coin. Oops. 2100 point per coin. What was support, now resistance level. And we are in a danger zone, man. The only time SHIB has been lower is when it wicked down here. This is not a wick at the moment. The only way they were kind of in the safety zone is if this bounces back today. If we continue to confirm this downward action below this major level of support, Shiba Inu Coin could be in some hot water there. And that may have been difficult for you to see. I don't know if it was or not. But yeah, SHIB having a pretty heavy sell-off today. Bitcoin, on the other hand, sitting at 65,500. So this is like a Shiba Inu Coin exclusive sell-off right there. Ethereum coming back down a little bit, but bouncing back up. 2% loss there, 6% loss on SHIB. You got the NASDAQ sitting 0.16% higher today. Dogecoin sitting at 12.95 cents. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu Coin kind of falling off in tandem. SHIB sitting at 1920, Ethereum 3503, Bitcoin 65,000, the SPY 543. You got QQQ sitting at 480, man. All-time high. Yeah, touching an all-time high today. QQQ touching an all-time high today. Wild to see that. $481.05 in the QQQ. Molinado, 253. Down, 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 down. Only goes down, down. Yeah, Molinado keeps going down, swinging. Sundial sitting at $1.91. Netflix, $6.76. MPW, $4.78. Tesla sitting at $1.86. 5% gain on Tesla. Amazon sitting at $1.81. And Apple sitting at $2.16. My goodness, my goodness. Apple, my goodness. Having gone just in the last 2 months from $163 to $220. And I saw Nvidia, man. Nvidia hitting all-time highs today. $133 a share after their 1-for-10 split. Dude, Nvidia was expensive at $500. It's the equivalent of $1,300 right now. Is Nvidia the most expensive company in the world? What's the market cap on? No, not what I wanted. What's the market cap on Webull here? That is also not Webull. Where the heck is Webull? All right. Market cap on Apple, 3.3 trillion. 3.2 trillion. Oh my gosh, dude. Nvidia at 133 earlier, another 3%. Dude, it's close. Nvidia close to passing Apple if it didn't already pass it today, depending on where the prices were with each other. $3.2 trillion Nvidia. Look at this graph, dude. Look at this graph. This is not a crypto. This is one of the largest companies in the entire world. From 2017, going from 60 cents a share back then, 6-7 years, $130 a share. Go back even further, man. Nvidia is sitting at 13 cents down here, 13 cents to $130. Nvidia is absolutely wild, man. Absolutely wild. Anybody that bought that a couple of years ago, probably ready to retire now, if you haven't done so already. We're going to watch Bitcoin play out on the middle left-hand side of the screen on the minute chart. We're going to watch Shiba Inu Coin play out on the middle right-hand side on the minute chart. And hopefully, we get ourselves a little bit of a rebound because nobody likes red lines. Nobody likes the purple lines. We all like the green lines, man. What's good, fellas? What's going on, Uncle Josh? Crypto Camo. Hey, hey. Look forward to Dogeverse to the moon. Can you check out Quick Intel Crypto Scanner? Last four are C0B7. Yes, we'll pull C0B7 up on the screen right now. We got C0B7. Yeah, quick intel right here. Here it is, man. Here it is. He's got the right one for us. All right, now on the daily chart, it has suffered over the last month or two. Actually, the last 2-3 months here. And since the middle of March, peaking out at 14 cents and coming back down to 4 cents right here. Overall, this is a pretty strong decline, but you are trying to find support in the level that it had resistance before, which is a good sign. So, quick intel right here. Had some support, or had some resistance in this area when it ran before. Ran, couldn't break. When it finally broke, boom, dude, went on a run at the beginning of March, along with the rest of the crypto space. Since then, very similar action to Shiba Inu Coin has been coming down, trying to set up support in the same level that it had resistance. So hopefully that support holds up and you get a nice little bounce there. But, dude, across the board right now, I mean, take a look at these coins. Down 10%, down 30%, down 30%, up 14%, down 30%, down 8%, down 13%, down 20%, down 8%, down 11%. All of the trending tokens, and it's not just on the Ethereum network, All of the trending tokens across the board are down right now. What does that mean? That means if you truly believe that the cryptocurrency market is not dead, we could be in an excellent dip buying opportunity right now. One that I am telling you, if you buy the dip and the bull market continues on, you are going to be very, very happy that you did, because of course the rebounds are going to produce very nice gains. So crypto camo, man. Yeah, we've been dipping down for the last couple of weeks here. It's been getting pretty annoying that we've been dipping down the last couple of weeks. Everybody likes the nice bull markets, but here's something I noticed, okay? Ethereum ETFs got approved, and we're dipping down like we are. Bitcoin ETFs got approved, and we dipped down for a couple weeks after those Bitcoin ETFs. And then the money began to flow in. So I am hoping, I also expect, but there's a level of hope to it, because you never know what these people are going to do. I am hoping that people get their act together and that the money starts flowing into these cryptos. Everybody gets all excited about the Ethereum ETF. The institutions start pouring in, and then the speculation surrounding like Ripple or Solana or whatever ETF they decide to be next. A lot of people expecting Solana. So I hope the speculation there begins to drive the prices much, much higher, and you get a nice little run. Now I can hope for the best, right? I hope we all do. Bought some SHIB 2 days ago, and I'm gonna buy some more today. Very nice, Alan. The dip led to a little bit of another dip, and hopefully it bottoms out here pretty soon, and we're not sitting here. Oh, woe is me on a purple day. Oh, woe is me. What do you say? Nobody wants to sit here and see purple days, man. We want the green days. We want the green days. SUI is on sale today, under $1. Booyah! Doji patterns. Check it out, man. SUI. You might have to go over here to CoinMarketCap for that one. I know that's a major coin. It is, man. Down at 89.5 cents. Everything is on a discount right now. You look at the 7-day chart for it. It's coming down heavy from 106 to 89 cents. Look at the monthly chart. $1.15 down to 89 cents. The annual chart, all right? Dude, they mark it up with so much of this stuff, and I don't know how to take off... I don't know how to take off all of those indicators. But regardless, man, it does seem to be setting up some nice support. Tap this 90 cent, tap the 90 cent, use it as resistance back here at the beginning of January, beginning of 2024. So hopefully it sets up some nice support and is able to rebound from there. Kind of the same deal with the overall graph, but the overall graph shows that during the bottom of kind of the period here, before the Bitcoin speculation began, October, it bottomed out at about 40 cents. So SUI could go lower, but man, oh man, hopefully it's hitting this nice support level at about 80 to 90 cents and begins to take off. Another thing you're going to notice, guys, fear, the fear greed index, fear is taking over, okay? I don't know where the fear greed index just went. I just clicked on it. Nah, dude, I don't want this one. I want the graph, or the bar chart style. Where's the bar chart style? Why would I click here? Can you give it to me here? Yeah. I like this little pie chart better. Level of 55, guys. Market doesn't know what to do right now. Market doesn't know what to do. So hopefully it coming off a level of greed, hopefully people are selling off right now and you do get a nice little bounce. Bitcoin currently sitting at 65,378. We need higher. And then we can bounce nicely. Rug dice, say rugged. It's crazy, man. Bleed out going on. Do you personally see this as buying? Yes. So Maurice, man. I don't know if the stuff's gonna dip further. You never know how far stuff's gonna dip. But during a bull market, I believe the dips are buying opportunities. Why? Because the overall trend of the market is still up, and you're being given that opportunity. And Shiba Inu Coin coming down pretty heavy right now, guys. 1889 is Bitcoin sitting at 65,300, and Dogecoin falling down pretty heavy to 12.7 cents. So you do have some pretty heavy declines here happening in the meme coin space. Ethereum selling off even further, 34.80 at the moment. It is a pretty red day so far, which leads to a pretty hard day if you sit here and watch the charts and panic over the price action. But, you know, if we zoom out on something like Ethereum, right, and you can see where we are in terms of this bull market, it has been running beautifully since October, November of last year when all of the Bitcoin ETF speculation began. The overall trend is still up. And you can we got several charts, or several lines on this chart, but we're going to put another one on here. And you can see that it has been hitting a very, very nice level of higher highs and higher lows. Boom, boom, boom. Double tapping resistance at that $4,000 mark. So the overall trend is definitely still up. I don't know if Ethereum's going to drop all the way back down to $3,200 or if it's going to move back up and start to make some gains here. Kind of the same deal with Solana, right? Solana's another major one that a lot of people watch, and Solana sitting at about that $140 mark today. Solana also hitting a very strong level of support, both horizontal and ascending. So hopefully that maintains and holds up. But yeah, dude, you got a sell-off happening today as people are very, very nervous out there. Could lead to a dip buying opportunity knowing that the overall trend is still up. Crypto Camo, thank you very much for the super chat. Crypto Camo says, thanks, Clay. I will consider your membership. Hey, Crypto Camo, man, completely up to you, dude. Thank you very much if you want to grab it. If not, still completely fine. Absolutely appreciate the super chat, though, man. Let's see. Gary Gnu, what's going on? Gary Gnu, aka G Money, aka Xmas. What's happening, Christmas? How you doing? Nice. Thanks. Getting myself some more. Bear market hasn't ended yet. Bull market's still coming. They say 6 months after Bitcoin halving. Is it true? Well, you know what? I'll say this, right? Nothing has to repeat itself in perfect order. When you're talking about stocks or cryptos or human emotion, yes, this stuff is cyclical, but it never has to happen in the exact same form or the exact same pattern. People's overall emotions remain intact, but markets are emotional. Markets are not logical, and therefore you're not going to see the exact same pattern. So yes, it could take 6 months. Yes, it could just be an election year type of cycle. You know what I mean? Like we've got the Bitcoin halving happening every 4 years, the bull bear market cycle happening every 4 years, on presidential election years. So yes, it could take another 6 months. That's going to take you from I think it was the April halving into the election month. And maybe that positive news there sparks the bull market rally, and then we begin to take off over the next year. There's so much at play that I wouldn't guarantee that, 6 months is definitely the spot you got to hit there. Not aka Xmas. It's just G Money Xmas. Gotcha. G Money Xmas. Gary, new, like it. Big news, Gary, the end of the month. It's going to be wild. That's all I can say. Had big news dropped in my inbox today. That's what I like. Dark Bro. And I imagine that it has to deal with honorarium. We'll find out, right? Good, bro. Lake Superior right now. This dude's chilling, man. Buy, not in. It's true. Technically, you could be in if your phone is waterproof or if you're in one of those waterproof bags. If your phone's in one of those waterproof bags. Kind of big news. You're finally getting... Oh, my God, dude. Well, I hope not, Dark Bro. I hope not. Speaking of big news, let's go back and let's take a look at some of these cryptocurrencies here before things get out of control. Quick intel. Back on the chart. We'll just keep it up there. Yep. Looking good. Pepe. All right, let's look at Pepe. Pepe is a very large meme coin, and it is down 9% on the day today. This is a daily chart, and you can see that Pepe has been hitting and following this ascending trend line. So, honestly, this could be a very nice intersection honestly, this could be a very nice intersection of both horizontal resistance, broke up, and trending resistance. So you could be at a very nice pace right here. Whether it falls just a little bit to the 1060 or it stays right where it's at about 1090. If that holds up, man, you can see a nice rebound from here. It's going to be very difficult to break down much further based on some of these technicals. Now, man, I really don't know if anything other... Let's see what we got in terms of crypto news, actually. I don't think there's really any bad news. Yeah. Yeah, see, I don't think there's any bad news out there right now. Crypto majors subdued after Fed's hawkish stance. Dude, I think that they're still worried about the Federal Reserve and the fact that they might not lower interest rates, but only... Dang, dude, that cat kind of scared me. That they might only lower interest rates one time this year. So I think that these news channels are kind of just scrambling to find something right now. You guys can't really see those headlines too well there. But, yeah, it says First Mover America's crypto majors subdued after Fed's hawkish stance. I think that the cryptocurrency space right now is just down a little bit because they're worried about interest rates. And, of course, lower interest rates is a very good thing. Higher interest rates are a bad thing. And they're not yet willing to lower interest rates. So, therefore, you do have some cryptocurrency sell-offs taking place. Nigaf! Good morning to you, Nigaf. Glad to have you in here, man. Ibanez, man, I think it's just the sell-off taking place. I don't know if there's necessarily any news pushing it. That's what we were just looking up there. Dark Bro, thank you very much for the super chat. Dark Bro says, last chance, folks. Get your hands on some honorarium. Don't get left behind. Dude, I'm telling you, I own my honorarium, man. I own my honorarium. Haven't sold it, don't want to sell it. Riding that bad boy to 100 million plus. I know there's a lot of other people in here that own honorarium as well. So hopefully we all ride it to $100 million market cap plus. Dark Bro, very, very nice. Inspiring other people to get into honorarium right there. And where is honorarium? We haven't looked at that in such a long time. Let's pull that graph up here. All right. Honorarium is officially 6 months old. And on the daily chart, it is... Okay, it's sitting at strong support. It had its ascending trend line, hitting those higher highs and higher lows, and you can see that that's where it was, right? Nice higher highs, higher lows. Coin market cap, euphoria coming back down a little bit, and now it's just sitting here nice and steady at its horizontal level of support. It was resistance, 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 support, 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 and now it is once again support down here at 4 zeros and a 1-1. So 0% change on the day today, and the volume is $66 on the day. So volume definitely pretty low there, man. But hopefully it's still maintaining a $100,000 market cap. Dude, you get these rugs that go out there and reach like a $20 million market cap and then go down to $100,000 the next day as people drain the liquidity pool. Honorarium's not doing that. So at least you can maintain your money in honorarium, which I am very excited about as my money is maintained. So very good, Dark Bro. Hopefully you get some nice catalysts, you get some nice listings, you get some nice partnerships going on, and honorarium takes off. Seems like the former president's bumping Bitcoin. Well, Doji, man, I think that yes, you get the former president out there trying to campaign to the cryptocurrency space. It is a very large sector, so I think two things could be happening. Number one, right, just trying to get the support of as many voters as possible, which is what elections are about. You need a lot of support. But two, man, because I also believe in the cryptocurrency space, I can't comprehend why the one side of the political spectrum hates cryptocurrency. I can't fathom it. I don't understand why they want to shut it down. I don't understand why they don't even want to regulate it. I don't understand why they won't embrace it. Just create some rules, create some laws, and let it grow. That part makes no sense to me. So because that part makes no sense to me, I do agree with what the former president is I guess siding with in terms of cryptocurrency. I think that we should embrace it. I think that this industry should grow, and I think that the United States should be the hub. I don't think it should be Dubai. I don't think it should be London. I don't think it should be anywhere in Asia. Asia probably agrees that it shouldn't be in Asia, but I don't think that it should be anywhere else, right? Maybe I'm being selfish, but I think that it should be in the United States. So hopefully we do create a very nice environment, man. Is Dogeverse still around? Dogeverse is still around, but Dogeverse is currently down, man. I saw Dogeverse this morning at about 4 zeros and a 9. We can pull it up if you want to look at it. I was watching the first Bad Boys film last night. I forgot how to say. Oh my gosh. Nice, Gary. Nice. WLD, sir. We want to look at WLD, and then we can look at Dogeverse if you guys would like to look at Dogeverse. Ooh, WorldCoin. All right. WLD WorldCoin. I forgot about this one. This is the one you got to scan your retina for, right? Oh, man. Well, look. WorldCoin going on a nice rally. And hitting, I cannot believe that this hit $10+ a coin. There's like so much of the circulating supply, or the circulating supply, sorry, is such a small percentage of the total supply that it's crazy to me. But coming out here, man, you can see that the ascending trend line is currently being tested. Okay. Looks like it might be slightly lower than that ascending trend line today, but that's okay. I mean, we could tweak it a little bit. So it had a very, very nice rally from here where these higher highs were being... Why is this not? Whatever. These higher highs were being hit, then, of course, getting rejected off that level and coming back down. Hopefully this does hold up as support. If not... You've got a couple levels of horizontal support around this, what is this, $2.50 area. And then, of course, dude, if that level is broken, you might be coming all the way back down here to $1.60, which is a major decline from that $10 level. So keep your eyes on that one. But as you can see, dude, look at the top trending coins across the board today. And it's good that Ethereum is back up a little bit here. But, dude, all of the trending coins, it doesn't really matter what network you're on, all of the trending coins are down today. Prices are getting hit hard. I do hope for a bounce, but man, you know, Solana sitting $141 per coin right here. Solana is getting hit pretty hard. The rest of the coins that are trending getting hit very hard as well. So you do have some losses on the board today. I do hope that they turn back around. And we get a nice little bounce. Dog Libre. Yeah, Dog Libre presale I think is still going on, right? Do you want me to pull it up? You want me to pull up the presale for Dog Libre? I have to go over to my YouTube channel and get the link for it because I forget what the website was. Michael Allen. Mike, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Mike says, fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, fist bump. Michael Allen. Mike, thank you very much for that super chat. Pfft, dank, bro. Check out TKMN. Not coinhold.org, coinhold.org. Gotta type it in. All right, TKMN. Dude, look at this 7-day graph. My gosh, man. 218%. Up 2% of the day, 2% over the last hour. It's kind of sitting a little steady over the last couple of, well, since yesterday. And then, of course, come back today. After a nice dip buying opportunity there. Tiny little $80,000 market cap, man. Could you imagine if this one 10x's to an $8 million market cap? Sorry, 100x's to an $8 million market cap. 10x would take it to an $800,000 market cap. That's crazy. Very, very small coin. Very, very nice graph. 218% in the last 7 days and only 241 total traders. Nobody knows about this coin. You can go get it before people learn about it and hopefully make some nice money there. J-Bones! Happy Bones Day to you. Happy Bones Day to you. Happy Bones Day for 36 months. Happy Bones Day to you. J-Bones, man. Thank you very much for keeping that icon for 36 months, dude. Chip Bro would be proud, man. Chip Bro would be proud. Which chain is TK? I don't really know. Is it like a Terra Luna Classic coin? I don't understand how these little coin haul coins work, Gary. What's the coin again? Mark Wayne. Are we talking about TKMN? Is that the one you're talking about? The one that's on the screen right there with an $80,000 market cap? It's in the super chat. TKMN. I really don't know how these tiny little Terra Luna Classic coins work, or who makes them, or how they create them. If it's similar to Solana or what. Gotta run. Meetings. What a red Monday. Alien Head Intelligence. It is a very red Monday indeed. Enjoy your meetings, man. But we might be getting a nice little bounce here. So Shiba Inu Coin bouncing back up to 1924. Dude, darn near 100 points per coin gain over the last couple of minutes off that dip. Ethereum bouncing nicely from 34.60 all the way back up to 35.14. So hopefully that ends the dip, man. I want some green. I want some gains. I want some green. I want some greed to flow back into the market. And I want some gains across the board. So Ethereum looking pretty good down in the bottom left. Shiba Inu Coin looking pretty good in the bottom right there. Hopefully they continue to look good throughout the rest of the day. And I did see, have no fear, Moji is here. Moji, man. Glad to have you in here. And I don't know why you got to show up so late, dude, but I am glad that you did show up. You can connect your station wallet to coin. Gotcha. Okay. Is that how you create one too, Mike, or you don't know? Yeah, Rakeoff. We can look at Rakeoff. I don't know where Rakeoff is at, but we can look at that. Down 2% of the day today. We gotta look at the daily chart for Rakeoff, though. It's been out a while now. Yep, got your nice bull flag happening on Rakeoff here. Got your nice bull flag pennant happening on Rakeoff. So if you guys are interested in that, boom. Hopefully it does break out of the upside, but you are about to bounce off the bottom end of that trend. So I don't know. Could channel, could wedge into this area. Hopefully for anybody that's in it, it does break out and move to the upside. Moji! Wee-hoo! J-Bones, baby! Where's that 36-month moniker, Clay? With a... Moji! Moji with the King Turkey. Dude, Moji, can you not see it? Moji needs to visit an eye doctor today. Need to visit an eye doctor today. But, he says, what is it? Now, it is very, very difficult to see, man. I can tell what it is because, of course, I know what it is. I made it. But I showed you guys earlier. I just took a picture of it, so I'll show you again. I'll show you again, man. I'll show you again because I like you so much. The guy that started it all, man. The guy that started it all. You got yourself a good old Chip Bro right there. Good old Chip Bro. Yep. Blind in one eye. Can't see out the other. Hopefully you can see that, man. But, nah, dude. It's the OG Chip Bro, man. OG Chip Bro. Which, I mean, I don't think that OG Chip Bros... What in the world? Hey, let's see if... Let's just see if anybody... Dude, let's make it a little thicker. Let's see if anybody even notices that. Well, they'll probably notice it, but let's see if anybody even says anything about it. All right. We'll just act like we don't know. And then anybody new coming in, we'll see if they say anything about that. Yeah, dude, I got the reverse unicorn going on there. Yeah, we'll see if anybody says anything about that, because that's stinking wild, man. I've never... Like, I just want to go shave that off. I'm so offended by what it's doing there. I feel like I just need to go shave that off. What in the world? Okay. Hey, if you've already answered this question, I'm sorry. But what is up with the market today, and why is it down? Jeffrey. Dude. Never be sorry about asking a question, man, especially a legitimate question. Like, if you ask me what color my underwear is, that's not necessarily legitimate, but they're gray. If you're asking me what's going on with the market, that is extremely relevant, okay? So never feel bad about asking me a relevant or legitimate question, even if I have already answered that question 45 times. I understand that the average watch time on these live streams is just above a minute, which means that I... theoretically could answer the same question 60 times during a live stream, maybe 58. And you guys it's the first time you're hearing it. So I'm okay with it. Overall, though, overall market, man, I think it's just a little bit of just like a technical sell-off. Tried to find news, the only real news article trying to explain what happened with the market today is that it's coming down on the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision stance. The market has already kind of digested that news. So that news came out last week. No new news this week. And last Wednesday, Jerome Powell said that the Federal Reserve is most likely going to raise interest rates only one time this year, as opposed to the expected 3 times. So that was bad news. I don't think we can really blame the same bad news twice. And oh my gosh, investors are just now thinking about this again today, and therefore the market's coming down. I think it's a sell-off. This is like the chicken and the egg sort of explanation. I think we're having a little bit of a sell-off. Who the heck knows the reason why? But people look to these news articles to tell them the reason why, so they just have to come up with a reason why. They don't know the reason why either, so they literally just go back to the last reason. So I think it's just a technical sell-off, man, or just a little bit of a pull-off or pullback as some money is being moved around. That is a very strong sign, right? Because with no real negative news or negative catalysts out there, we should see this easily rebound. And we may already be seeing it rebound. You can see in the middle of the screen here that Ethereum's back up to 35.20. Nice little bounce there. SHIB, I'm starting to wonder, it's bouncing back nicely from 1860 to 1920. But is it starting to curl again? You got to watch out for that, okay? Shiba Inu Coin does have a little bit of a descending trend line taking place here, and that may hold up throughout the rest of the day. Hopefully traders say, all right, enough is enough. This is stupid. The dip is just too cheap now, and they come in and they buy it up. If that's the case, I would like to see a gain. If it's not, we're probably going to see more declines. But I think it's a technical move, man. I think it's a technical move that you got there. And, man, it's just in the stock market as well. You got a sell-off in GameStop and AMC happening. You can't see it there. We'll make you see it here. What wild hair, dude. You can see the red on GameStop and an AMC as well right there. Both of those. No, this way. Yeah. Goes this way. Let's get rid of that hair. It's wild. Freaking me out, man. Nobody needs that kind of stuff. Strong. Still holding strong. Ryan. Very nice, man. Clay, if you've already answered this question, sorry I saw that. Reminder, no market Wednesday. Clay, free day off, no live. What the heck? Why is there no market on Wednesday? The heck is on Wednesday? Let's see. Clint stuck bag holding ZK after the drop 3 a.m. this morning. Oh my gosh, dude. What kind of a dude? I'll tell you too, JB. I get it, man. I get it, man. I truly do. I think, and this is gonna be. This is just me saying this at this moment, but there are so many, and I have fun with them, right? And then I lose on them too. But there's so many of these little tokens out there, these new coins and so on, that I'm about here. I'm about here with only ever holding like the big names out there. And I'm talking the big names. I'm not even talking like Shiba Inu Coin level names at $5 billion market caps. I'm talking like 20, 30, 40, $50 billion market caps plus. Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, Solana, BNB, man. BNB. ZK is a $10 billion token. I'm talking like 50 plus, man. I'm talking 50 plus. It is wild to me that like liquidity pools can so easily be influenced by a couple traders in these little coins. But then beyond that, man, I don't know. Even the big ones go down, but dude, I'm to the point now. I don't know if it's because I'm getting older or what, but it is so stinking hard sometimes to stomach knowing that some little dude out there created a coin with no intention of building a coin, but solely with the intention of having people buy it as it's running, and then just taking everybody's money. That is like it burdens my soul. It literally burdens my soul to know that people buy into these running coins or running tokens, and then just some little dude with zero intentions of creating, but 100% intentions of taking or destroying, simply takes people's money. I cannot. It literally does burden my soul, man. It hurts me down deep within. June. Nope, not working out in the yard on 100 plus. So yes, something. I know I missed something. June. The market. Dude, I kind of want to just not go live that day to calm down a little bit and take just a little bit of a break, but mentioned waffles on Solana a while back. Doing really well. Bit of a pullback. Good time to buy in. Barky. Waffles, huh? Oh, boy. Moji messing with my mind, man. Moji messing with my mind. Waffles. I do remember you mentioning this, but I completely forget it. Yeah. All right, let's see what we got going on with waffles, man. Waffles sitting at 2. Hey, he's right, though. It is a little bit of a pullback today. It has been doing very well. And where we at here, man? Okay, so we're going to kind of have to go in that area right there. It is at a horizontal level of support as well. Coming down here, testing the lower end of these candles and currently trying to hold up on the upper end of these candles. So it could be an excellent dip buy opportunity there as well. Solana bouncing back from about 140 to 143, 140, almost 144. Hopefully you see a nice gain there, man. But let's look at the daily on Solana real quick so that you can see this. This could be holding up as a good dip. Sorry, dip buying opportunity on Solana as well. So Solana doing very nice. This chart is very hard to work with on DEX tools. So slightly breaking down, okay, below this level, but holding up at the horizontal level of support, okay? I would love to see a nice rally off, a nice bounce back up, and to regain this ascending trend line right here. If Solana can do that, a little bit more conservative level of resistance is going to be at about the 175 level. A little bit more aggressive would be at the upper end of that candle right there, but we'll just leave it at the 175. It's still a very nice gain on a major coin. So Solana here sitting at 143.69 at the moment. We do hope for a nice bounce back up today, but maintaining the horizontal, almost regaining the ascending trend line right there. And very nice to see Solana meme coins might be bouncing back a little bit. So you got Beats, Flocka, who knows if this is going to turn into anything. GameStop, man. GameStop coming back down a little bit as GameStop stock is coming down pretty hard today, losing 11%. GameStop stock is losing 11% on the day today. And GameStop coin is probably back down to 1 cent flat. Okay, 11.80. Not terrible. Sitting at 11.80 right now. GameStop stock down about 11%, and GameStop coin is down about 11% on the day today. Let's just watch Solana, man. I don't want to watch all the blood, man. We need some positive. We need some positive. We got Ethereum bouncing back in the middle of the screen right here. You got some nice green lines there. Don't curl over. Shiba Inu Coin bouncing back pretty nice right now. Don't curl over. They look like the exact same chart, so they're really following each other. But dang, dude, GameStop is getting hit hard. Down 12% right now. Let's see here. It's getting listed on Binance tomorrow. You think it'll get a bounce? Hey, this isn't a meme. By the way, it's a layer 2 mainnet token. Okay, so JB very well could. I don't know why it would have. I don't know why it would have sold off in the middle of the night if it's getting listed. Maybe it's just some guys buying the rumor and essentially selling the news if it is getting listed tomorrow. The only thing that I would say to watch out for with Binance. And it very well could spike on the Binance listing, but what you may want to do, I don't know how committed you are to holding it, but when you think about Pepe and some of those other coins, they got listed on Binance, and I know they were memes, right? They got listed on Binance back in May of 2023, and they ripped up, dude. Everybody was like buying like crazy on listing day. They hit KuCoin, they hit Binance, they hit all those major exchanges, and they soared. But then afterwards, it was a slow and steady decline as people began to sell off. And then, of course, they did find their bottom and move nicely higher. The only thing that I would kind of keep your eye on if they are running tomorrow, deciding whether, or if it is running tomorrow, not they, if it is running tomorrow, is whether or not you want to shave, take some profit, or if you are committed to holding at that point. Because I've seen Binance listings do very, very well, but then, of course, people sell the news then. I think that more so with meme coins than they do with actual blockchains, because, what does a meme coin get next? What's the next catalyst for a meme coin that just got listed on Binance? What's the catalyst for a meme coin that just got its Coinbase exchange listing? It's tier 1 listing, man. What could possibly come next for that coin that would be better? And really the only answer to that, in my opinion, is like a retail FOMO rally. Now, that is a different story for something like a nice layer 2 blockchain or even a layer 1 blockchain that actually has some utility that's going to grow over time. So that's my only stance on that. Let's see. Scott's TP. Oh, you guys hoarding again? Moji, don't type that word in here, man. You're going to get me in trouble with YouTube. Every time I used to say that word back in 2021, my live streams would be flagged, and I had to ask for a manual review. That's how wild this stupid internet is. Oh my gosh, it's crazy. Yes, Steven Amazon has 3 pounds, 23 bucks. Huge bag of Scotts for 45. I have no idea what we're talking about. Oh, grass seed. Gotcha. All right. Diligent Pepe. Yes, Artman. Diligent Pepe. We'll try to pull that. Golly bum, dude. This loss in GameStop is stinking wild today. Let's see. This one. And then this one. And then this one. Yeah, sorry about that. Got to clear my throat. All right, where are we at here? Diligent Pepe is not looking too good at the moment, man. Diligent Pepe has done $5 in volume. The good news is that $56,000 is locked in the liquidity pool here. But Diligent Pepe with only $5 in volume, man, it seems as though every single one of the 539 holders has no intentions of holding Diligent Pepe. Now, it did have a very nice ascending trend line that it was following and a horizontal level of support right there. But once that was broken, man, once that was broken, it seems like everybody gave up. And this is kind of like what I was talking about with JB, right? Is soon, you guys could see that it was doing nice there. And then it did have some horizontal support right here. And as soon as, boom, as soon as that was broken, it just died. That's what I was talking about with JB, man. People create these meme coins, right? It's very, very exciting. People make a lot of money very quick. And then they just completely move on, man. They completely move on afterwards. And it seems as though they're just completely forgotten. And I think one of the reasons behind it is because everybody's mentality, like with Shiba Inu Coin and Dogecoin, creates like a fog, man. It creates like a fog. Yes, these meme coins can be fun. Yes, you can make a lot of money on these meme coins. But, and I'm guilty of it myself, you shouldn't be staying in them. You shouldn't be holding them. And I do that. I do hold some of them hoping for the best and hoping that one of them that I have catches on. But before Shiba Inu Coin and Dogecoin and so on really started to revolutionize in 2021, dude, you weren't out there buying meme coins, man. You were buying altcoins, okay? You were buying things like Zcash, Monero, things with privacy networks. You were buying Ethereum. Some people were buying Solana, right? But you were buying coins that were creating something that had value. And if you would have bought those, dude, look how much money you would have now. Buying these meme coins, yes, can literally change your life overnight. But only if you take the profit. Only if you're willing to get back out. And dude, Benji down, Andy down, OKG down, Boomer down, Brute down, Duke down. Wolf is up, probably going to be down tomorrow. Bags is up, probably going to be down tomorrow. Benji, Benny, all of these Bens. Dude, it's the meme coin market is, you got to hit it and quit it, dude. It's just, it is the way that it is. You cannot expect to hit a 1 in a million shot by holding the meme coins. You got to trade them, man. Clay, are we doomed with Bitcoin falling? Claudio, no. I don't think we're doomed with Bitcoin falling. You can see that you might be starting to curl over a little bit with Ethereum and Shiba Inu Coin here, but it is actually trying to rally right now. It's actually trying to bounce back nicely, and this is a pretty strong dip today. So if traders can start to view SHIB and Ethereum and Bitcoin as cheap, we're going to be looking good. And Bitcoin is down on the day today, but it's only down 0.5% right now. So Bitcoin could very quickly turn green and bring the rest of the market with it. And I do hope that it does, because if you look at it, man, Ethereum might be a little bit more pronounced here. But if you look at the daily, dude, we've been coming down every single day since my birthday. Look, my birthday here, May 26th, was really the last green major candle that we had. It was nice. It started to come up the next day, but then it ended lower. We had a nice little rally, but it didn't bring us back up to where we were on my birthday. And then we started coming lower, started to come up, and now today we're lower again. So it has been very, very tough for the last 3 months or 3 weeks, almost the last month. And I do hope, man, that the little bit of a rally that started a couple days ago picks back up. Just a little nervousness in the market today. I hope that it picks back up and we see some nice green lines, because it's about time we got some gains, right? It's about time we saw some gains. No, I don't know, Emoji. I don't know if they'll still tag me for the C word or not. I don't like taking chances with these idiots. I don't. You know, I get it. Like, okay, I'm in your house. I'm going to respect your rules or whatever. But I don't know. I don't think it's right that, like, some stuff, dude. Like, I get it, dude. I'm not even going to come out of here out of respect for myself, too, and, you know, say curse words or drop F-bombs or anything like that. Other people do, but no, man, that's not going to happen. Saying, like, the C word and stuff. I don't know, man, and I'm not going to test it. I don't want to get on YouTube's bad side. Let's see here. Least an uphold listing. Artman, I might have missed it, though, man. Let's see. Airbud. Let's look up Airbud. J-Root was take that a couple times. J-Root, man. We're going to look it up real quick. But it is 1 o'clock. Airbud. Oh, my gosh. All right. We get Airbud on the screen right here. 57% gain on the day today. And it is actually doing very well, man. You've got Airbud right here. Nice ascending trend line. Getting ready to break resistance on this level right here. It's held up as horizontal resistance for the last couple of weeks. But the next one, it's got to hit an all-time high if it does break out. So that's where I'd be looking on Airbud right there. And kind of a fun one, man. $80,000 in volume, not huge. I highly, highly doubt that there's 126,000 holders. So I don't know what's going on with that number right there. That number definitely doesn't seem right to me. But it's still bullish graph, right? Because it continues to hit higher highs and higher lows. Guys, it is 1 o'clock. That got here very quickly. Hopefully we continue to rebound into the afternoon here. The gains continue on. All of us come back this afternoon, refreshed, ready to go, in the money, making some money and having some fun. Get your names in the chat right now. If you guys are brand new to the live stream, we do go live twice a day. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button already, I would absolutely appreciate you doing so. We'll do these shout-outs, and we will be back, man. Artman, have a great afternoon. Moji, see you later. J-Rue, man. Imperium, you a quack? Sometimes I do quack. Sometimes I gobble like a turkey as well. JB, man, I'm sure you'll quack. Oh, I'll definitely quack. You send me a super chat, man. I'll quack all day long. Mark, have a great one. Imperium. Nismo, see you later. Caspa's another good one. Claudio, I'm shaking with Cialana. I'm shaking. Why? Claudio, why? Justin, see you later, man. Crypto Animal. Thomas, see you later. Mark Wayne, Gary Gnu, see you later. Dark Bro, have a great one. J. Root, Moji, Ryan the Rapper. Peace out to the diamond-handed bros, baby. See you later, Pudgy. J. Root, have a great one. Never ignore Pudgy, man. Carl, have a great one. Gen G, we got Nufo to Puto. Nufo, man. See you later, Doji, Jeffrey, Mark, Brett, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.